Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have one that's not been highly shown at the moment on YouTube because the main coin tubers like Christopher and such like have yet to go and do the strike your own for this particular coin. I am of course talking about the FA Cup 150 year £2 coin. On the back of the strike your own housing what would you call it, envelope I suppose, for want of a better word, card, we have the Emirates FA Cup logo. We then have the there is a hologram there, and it's the FA with the 3 lines in a shield, and then below it it has for all. So it's there like a hologram sticker to prove that it is actually a real strike your own, I suppose. Then we have the coin specification on the back. The edge inscription is football's greatest cup competition. The obverse designer is Jody and the reverse designer is Matt Dent and Christian Davis. So this is the actual coin itself. Let me just bring you in a little bit. And just as there's the reverse, the Jody Clark Obverse. This is a reverse, and let me just the cover with the raised the raised capsule part is just the Royal Mint logo, and I struck this coin. Let me just open this up. On the inside of the short part of the front cover, you've got the 150th anniversary of the FA Cup and the FA Cup logo with 150 years in it. The actual text on this is: "Congratulations on striking your very own UK coin. A reminder of the anniversary and your visit to the Royal Mint experience. World football's longest running knockout competition celebrates 150 year anniversary in 2022. We're marking the occasion by commemorating the FA Cup on an official UK coin for the very first time." And this is the coin itself. Whoops. Around the edge it's got "celebrating 150 years of the FA Cup," going round from sort of 7 o'clock round to around about 5 o'clock, and then in the central part and taking up the whole of the centre, both of the silver centre coin and also the brass bottom. The brass bottom has the stand on which the FA Cup is mounted. Then the silver part, or the vast majority of the silver part of the coin, is made up of the FA Cup trophy itself. The trophy itself, I think, it says the FA Challenge Cup, or the Football Association Challenge Cup. Now, I'm going to set a question for you, and I want you to write the answer down in the comments, and let's see who's right. There is two things taken to the FA Cup final, but only one of them is used. What is it? So the question is, there is something taken to the FA Cup final that is never used. What is it? Okay, that finishes the review for this coin, for this strike your own. What do you think of it? Tell me in the comments below. What do you think of this strike your own? Will you be going to the Royal Mint experience and doing it and striking your own? Lastly, and I should have said this long before now, a big shout out to my friend over at Wales, Bo Selector. Yes, because I am disabled and I find it very difficult to travel and to be able to walk around the Royal Mint experience because I have arthritis, he very kindly offered to get me one. So a huge shout out to Bo. He got me one, and I covered his costs for him. He didn't ask me for anything more than that, which is really special of him. He took some time out of his busy life to be able to do that for me, and I'm extremely grateful. So, having said all of that, what I'll leave you with is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, that you can get the coins that you want at the price that you want to pay. Lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something else that will interest you in the near future and that you will want to watch. I am looking to grow the channel this year, so any help with subscriptions and likes of videos go a long way to helping me be put in front of people who've never seen my videos before. It's part of the algorithm that YouTube uses to be able to do that. I will leave you and thank you for watching the video, and until we meet up again next time on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. Whoops, says as he's going back. Thank you all for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye now. Ta-ra.